Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we will see how to run and install APK files on Windows 11 Home Edition and Pro Edition and without using any emulator, right? Going to explain everything in detail. So let's understand what is the summary. So with the help of this process, you can install and run APK files on your Windows 11 Home Edition and those who have Windows Pro Edition. So this method will work in both cases, right? I have explained the complete process step by step. So I request you, please watch this tutorial from the beginning till the end for the flawless installation. Also, I have included the step and I have given the error resolution of the PowerShell execution policy update for Windows Home user. So right on my laptop, I have Windows Home. When I was trying to install it, I was facing some problem at the time of execution of PowerShell script, right? So I have updated the execution policies. Let's begin. So the first thing you have to verify on your PC or laptop, virtualization must be enabled. So what you have to do, you have to go to the taskbar, then go to this performance option, click on the CPU and look at this place. See, virtualization is enabled. So this must be enabled in your PC as well. If this is enabled, you can proceed to the next step. If this is disabled, you have to go into the BIOS and from that place you have to enable it. Okay, then you can continue. So I'm assuming you guys have enabled the virtualization. Then simply jump to the point number 2. In the point 2, we have to enable some Windows features. So these are the 4 features must be enabled on your laptop or PC. So the first one is Windows Subsystem for Linux, Virtual Machine Platform, Windows PowerShell 2.0 and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Right? Go to the search, type, turn on Windows features and then you will see this option. Click on it. Okay, then this is window will open and just expand it. Then you will see all the options are present here in this list. So we will check everything one by one. So first we will check Windows Subsystem for Linux. So here we have Windows System for Linux. So I have checked it already because I have tested this method of the installation once. So all options will be checked in my case, but you have to check in your case. When you come here, some of the options will not be enabled. So you have to put a check enabled here and look for the Windows PowerShell. This is 2.0. This is also enabled. And the third one is the Windows PowerShell 2.0, which is already enabled. And the last one is Windows Hypervisor Platform, right? So when you come here first time, so some option will be disabled. When you check it and you will continue, you will see this kind of progress bar and this will take few seconds. After that, this will ask you to restart your laptop or PC. So please do it. So after enabling these features, Windows will ask you to restart. Okay, so please do it. Okay, and come back and continue from this step. Okay, so I'm assuming that you have restarted your PC. Then go to the Windows search, type settings, and then click on system. And here we have to look for the developers option. Okay, so you can simply type here in the search and you will get the results. And here at the very first option, developer mode, and you can see the toggle button. Okay, so in your case this will be disabled, so you have to enable it. Right, once you do it, close the window. We have executed step 2 successfully. Now we are moving to the step 3. So friends, in the step 3, we are going to change the execution policy because we need to run a PowerShell script at the time of installation. WSA build, right? So for that purpose, we need to change the execution policy. By default, this is restricted, and Windows security tells like no other unsigned PowerShell script will be executed on the system. That's why this policy kept as restricted. So we have to change this. So what you need to do, go to the search, type PowerShell, get this option, do right click, run as administrator, click yes, and then you will see this black and white window. This is command window. You can call it the PowerShell window. And here we have to execute this command like, so I will copy this command. When you hit enter, you will see execution policy change, right? This is asking us to type A for all. Okay, once you do it, you will get this kind of message. Now we will execute the full command. So I will apply the force parameter. Okay, and when you press enter, this will be changed easily, right? Once you do it, you can proceed to the next step. Now we are at the step number 4. In this step number 4, we are going to download the subsystem for Android, right? With the help of this subsystem, we can install the APK or Android application, and then we can run it, right? So this is the main software that we need to download, and this is the link, and the same link given in the description. You can copy the link. The one important note, this WSA app or a software is available for those who have Microsoft Windows Pro version. So you can simply go to the Microsoft Play Store and just search Windows Subsystem WSA. If this is available in your region for the Pro users, Microsoft Windows Pro users, simply download it and install it, and you can jump to the next section, right? And for those who don't have this option, or this application is not available to download, please follow the step I'm going to tell you. And we can use this step for, okay, open this link in the browser, and this is the GitHub location to download that WSA build. And here you can see Windows 11, and we will click on the first option, and this is the download link. Just click on it and you will see the another page. Here we have information, everything here. You simply want to read it, please go ahead and do a scroll down, come to this place, assets. Okay, when you expand this node, in case if this is not and simply click on the first link, and you will see downloading is started, and the file size is 671 MB. And I will not proceed that download because I have already downloaded and tested all process on this software, right? So I will use the already downloaded zip file and will proceed. Okay, let me take you where I have downloaded. So right now I'm inside the download folder, and here we have that downloaded zip file. So what we have to do, we simply copy this file and we'll go to the documents and we'll create a new folder, and here I will put it, and then I will extract it. So it is not mandatory to put everything in the documents folder. You can simply put in any drive on your system and you can extract it. Okay, here we go for the extraction. Once the extraction is complete, we will get a folder, and when you see, a lot of files are here, and the one important file I'm looking for is install.ps1, right? This is the PowerShell script. As you have seen in the previous steps, we have changed the execution policy, right? If everything is going good, so we will be able to execute this PowerShell script that will install our WSA, Windows Subsystem for Android, right? Now we are at the step number 5. In this step, we have to open the command prompt as admin. Then we will simply type cd and the path of this file. Okay, go here to search and type cmd, do right click, run as administrator, and this is open. Now just copy the path of this PowerShell script and type cd, enter, and you are inside the folder. I hope this is clear to you. Now we can proceed. In the next step, we have to execute this command. With the help of this command, we are going to run the PowerShell script, right? So just copy this command, and the same command is present in the description. You can check and copy. And copy the command. Come back here and on this command prompt, paste it. Okay, let me delete it. There's a problem with the mouse. Okay, this is ready. So the PowerShell.exe execution policy bypass file, then the script name, press enter. And then you will see this kind of message, dumping resources, and the installation is in progress. Soon you will see this kind of activities in this window. Simply click continue, and then you will see the installation window, Windows Subsystem for Android, and this is the icon for that. And this time the subsystem is installing on your system. We have to wait for the complete installation. This will take maximum 5 minutes. Okay, click continue, and then you will see the Google Play Store window open in front of you. So friends, this is appearing, and this is the another different application is appearing, which is pre-installed with that WSA. On the primary window, you will see the message all done, and you can simply press any key to exit from this window. And now we are here at the Google Play Store window. So this is the convenient place where you can sign in and download any APK as you can download on your mobile. So same thing, simply log in with your email ID in your Google account. So you will get the access of the Play Store here on your laptop or PC. So this is the quite easy way you can access any APK file which is available on the Play Store. Once the login is successful, again you will see this message. You can click on don't allow, and now you will have the Play Store access, and this is ready. You can simply search any game, any app of your choice, and you can simply proceed for the installation. Let's try. So I'm going to download and install the Candy Crush game. So you can choose any one. I'm just going to try it. Simply click on the install app, and the file size is small, 96 MB. Okay, once the downloading and installation is finished, you will get the button and just simply click play, and the application will be launched in a new window on your laptop or PC. Now we are ready to play this and game, and we can enjoy this game on our laptop. Okay, let's begin. So application is properly working. I'm going to test it. So use the mouse to play the game. So interactivity is properly working and no lag. Everything is working as you are playing the game on your mobile. Seems flawless. So friends, this is the way you can install and run APK files on your PC and laptop without installing any emulator. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please download and enjoy more games on your PC or laptop. And if you found this tutorial relevant and useful, please hit the like button and please subscribe to support. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.